Hey everyone, I've been sharing with this community on YouTube for many years now, and today is a special video that I want to share with you, and that is not easy to make. A few days ago, while I was traveling to Hungary via Vienna, I had my Leica SL3-S as well as my 28 to 70mm f2.8 that I just purchased stolen from my backpack. I had this combo inside a sling that I had securely put in my backpack in such a way that it was virtually impossible to take it out of the backpack without opening the entire backpack. Yet, when I arrived to my destination, it was gone. So you can imagine how brutal this has been to me, how I felt about this. It happened a few days ago. I'm still a little bit under the shock because that's not just a tool for me. That's not just a camera. That is my Leica camera. That is my SL3-S. This is what I use on a regular basis to work, to make money. This is how I make my living because I also have a family, kids to feed and bills to pay, and having a proper setup, a professional setup, allows me also to make content on this YouTube channel on a regular basis and to give you guys my reviews, my opinion, and share with you everything that I've learned, everything that I keep learning on a daily basis. And that's why this really has been very hard for me. The thing is, in all honesty, I don't make money with my YouTube videos. That's not why I'm doing them. The reason I make these videos is really from my heart, is really from my passion for photography. That's why I'm making all these videos. That's why sometimes I have to run around to find gear that just came out, or to, purchase, for example, a new drone, or purchase a new camera, a new lens, a new piece of gear, so that I can test it for you guys and give you my opinion and help you out so that you can make the best decisions and get the best gear for what you need. The way this happened isn't gonna get covered by my insurance, and I worked hard for many years in order to be able to afford this gear that I can't currently replace. I just can't. So I'm turning to you, this amazing community of photographers that I spent years building and that I'm very proud of. I've set up a GoFundMe campaign, and if there's anything you ever learned watching my videos, or that they ever helped you in any way, shape, or form, or that you had fun watching them, I would really appreciate any help. Even the smallest contribution would really help me towards getting my gear back. Now, if you can't help me financially, I understand, but don't hesitate to share this video so that it can be seen as much as possible. Put a like, subscribe to my channel, write a comment down below. If we reach the goal, one thing I thought would be great to do would be to make a little behind the scenes video when I go to the Leica store Geneva to get my new gear, so that you can share with me my happiness and my relief, my mental relief to get my gear back. Also, if you do donate, please write down a comment in the comment section below so that I can answer every single one of you individually, personally. That's something I've been doing all the time, answering every single comment on my channel and trying to help as many people as possible. That's why I'm doing this, for this community, to be able to help others. And this is no exception. I will gladly answer any comment, and thank you personally for your contribution. Thank you very much for being here, for watching this video, for watching all my content. The thing is, the reason I'm doing this is you guys. This is why I make content on a regular basis. This is why I work so hard on trying to give you as much as possible and help you out. No matter if you send me a DM, if you write me on Instagram, if you write a comment on YouTube, I have always tried to give you as much as I could. And I really thank you for being here and for being part of this adventure. All the details and the GoFundMe link are down below. I will see you, I hope, in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, keep taking great shots, and I hope to see you very soon. Cheers.